Alrighty, so in this little short video I'm going to show you how to sign yourself up either 4 times or 3 times depending on what you're doing. Basically what you want to do is sign yourself up first with your username and your Gmail email address. Then the next time you sign up you want to use the same username and just put a 1 behind it. You want to use your same Gmail email address and put a dot after the first letter or period. Then do username 2, jump over to the second letter, put another period. Username 3, jump over to the third letter, hit another period, and all 3 of these email addresses and accounts will go directly to this email inbox, and you will be able to verify your email address for the system and be able to continue on without any problems. Thanks.